Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok notifications not showing. So first let's go to TikTok here, then you want to press your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then when you're on the profile, look to the top right hand corner where you should see these three little lines. This is the hamburger menu. Pressing that should bring up this little menu where you then want to press settings and privacy. Then you want to come down to the content and display section where notifications should be straight at the top. Press that. Then we want to go into a couple of different things here. The top one, in-app notifications. You want to make sure all these are on. Come back and then you want to check the push notification schedule here. So you want to make sure this isn't turned on, because if it's on, it'll stop pushing notifications between a certain time, whatever you've set. Then you want to come down here and make sure all these are tapped on. So hopefully that helps you fix your TikTok notifications not showing. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.